Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Tecno Phantom V Flip to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then select the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Flip and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Flip, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input key, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access, and when you're ready, just point it at the code. Lastly, wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!